I want to welcome you today to a celebration of education, a celebration of great teaching, and of educational excellence. We come to honor a teacher who is called a leader, who supports her students both inside these walls and outside the classroom. After years of presenting the ExCEL Award, we know that one teacher, just one teacher, really can make a difference in the lives of students. And today, we come today to honor that one teacher, Ashley Scholle. Her principal says that Ashley models integrity, respect, and creativity in this school. She has high expectations for every class. She holds her kids accountable in the very critical time of 4th grade. And in addition to mentoring her students, Ashley also provides training throughout the year to improve reading instruction here at Audubon. Yes, one teacher, one great teacher makes a difference. And at Audubon, Ashley is setting the foundation for the educational future of her students. If they can read and write at a high level, they can be successful, and they will be. And there is much more to Ashley's classroom experience. She integrates technology, music, drama into her reading instruction, and she integrates just having fun. But mostly, she inspires the love of reading. The love of reading sparks the love of learning, and Ashley, we are so thankful for your dedication to this school and its students. For great teachers, this is not a job. It is a passion. It is who they are. It is a life commitment. So thanks, Ashley, for all you do for public education. And please come forward. Ashley, I want you to know that this golden apple reflects not only your face and my face, but the faces of the thousands of students that you've affected in public education over your years as a teacher. And I hope, and I know you have promised me that you're a school teacher and you're going to remain a school teacher. And you are, above all, an ExCEL Award winner. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And that's just half of the ExCEL Award. Please welcome our co-sponsor in the ExCEL. That is the power company, LG&E KU, and representing LG&E is Claire Sims. Claire?
Thanks, Gary. I am so happy to be part of today's ceremony and to have the opportunity to recognize Miss Ashley Scholle on behalf of all employees at LG&E and KU. Educators like Ms. Scholle exemplify the saying that better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. Ms. Scholle's students are so lucky to spend their days with her. As one nominator noted, Ms. Scholle is a master at integrating technology, music, and drama with her reading instruction, creating a really powerful combination. And whether she's giving her time before school to positively impact her students, attending professional development to better her content knowledge and teaching strategies, or putting systems in place to effectively communicate with parents on student achievement, she's a true champion for her students, colleagues, and school community. Now, from our perspective at LG&E and KU, language arts, as well as areas like math, technology, and science, are at the root of everything we do. We also want to help inspire students because we know each student sitting here today and across our community will become our future leaders. In closing, Ms. Scholle, we appreciate and celebrate the positive impacts you're making within our community for your students and your passion for teaching. I'm happy to present to you this check for $1,000 that we know will be well used in your classroom. Congratulations, and please come forward to accept your award.
We have been presenting the ExCEL Award since 1989. Believe it or not, that's probably a little before most of you guys were born. And so I've been doing this a long time. In fact, I've been presenting the ExCEL Award so long that when I started this year, Mr. Pollio was the interim superintendent. We've been here doing this so long that he's now the real superintendent. So please welcome the superintendent of the Jefferson County Public Schools, Marty Pollio.
All right, good afternoon. I'm excited to be at Audubon. All right, this is my 95th school of the year, so I'm excited to be at another school, and I've heard great things about Audubon and the Audubon Eagles, so excited to be here with all of you all. And to recognize Ms. Scholle for her great work in the classroom. And I don't know if you all know this or not, but this is like the Hall of Fame of teachers in Jefferson County. And there are over 6,500 teachers in JCPS, and only six teachers get the ExCEL Award the award every single year. So that's how great she is of a teacher, and what an awesome accomplishment it is for her and for Audubon to have such a great teacher. So congratulations. I also want to take this time, thank you WHAS for, as always, recognizing our great teachers here through the ExCEL Award, and LG&E and KU for your commitment to also recognizing great teachers throughout our community. A few things about Ms. Scholle that has been said. Those who work closest to her colleagues say, she is a wonderful teacher who models integrity, respect, creativity, and accountability. A leader who supports the students inside and outside of the classroom. She sets high expectations for all students and is passionate about providing a learning environment that ensures the success of every student. And she has a passion for teaching and helping students realize their full potential by creating a safe and engaging learning environment that inspires students to work at higher levels. All of these are words that I preach and take such pride in, passion being number one, inspiring being another. So clearly, she is a fantastic teacher. And she dedicates extensive time also outside of the classroom, which all great teachers do. She's involved in Reading Content Specialist Team, Visual and Performing Arts Program Review Committee, teaches extended learning, and serves as the quick recall coach. So, Ms. Scholle, on behalf of JCPS, the school district, I want to congratulate you on winning the ExCEL Award. And at this time, it's my honor to introduce the board member for Region 6, Lisa Willner.
Hello, everyone. What a great privilege to be here and to be the representative, the school board representative for Audubon Traditional Elementary School. This is a joyous occasion when, as Dr. Pollio said, one of only 6 teachers to get this level of recognition in the entire district. So it's a privilege to be here. Can I just ask for Ms. Scholle's current students to raise their hands? Let's give those guys a round of applause. And I had an opportunity just before the presentation started to speak with 2 of your student leaders here in the school, Maleya and Xavier, and talking about their experiences in Ms. Scholle's classroom and how much fun it is, the kind of classroom you don't want to leave because there's active learning going on every day. So on behalf of the Board of Education, I have a presentation to make as well, and congratulations again to Ms. Scholle.
Please welcome, representing the Jefferson County Teachers Association, Dawn Moretz. Dawn.
Hello, and thank you for your warm reception. It is very exciting to get to be part of a wonderful celebration such as this. And I have to say that it's always a privilege for me to get to come out to a school that I serve and to be participating in such an event. Ms. Ashley, we at Jefferson County Teacher Association are so pleased that you are one of our many members and that you are able to represent our profession so wonderfully. And so it is my privilege today, on behalf of Brent McKim, the president of JCTA, Deanne Flaherty, the Executive Director, and the entire JCTA Board of Directors to present you today the Jefferson County Teachers Association Schoolhouse Award presented to Ashley Scholle in appreciation for your supportive actions regarding education and teachers.
Next, we have some familiar faces that you will know. We thought, what better way to recognize Ms. Scholle than to have some students who work with us for Student Council share some words with not only our guests, but our students, but we have some words from Maleya Giddens, who is our Student Council President.
Hello students and teachers, my name is Maleya Giddens and I am in Ms. Scholle's 4th grade class. If you know Ms. Scholle, then you know that she is a very nice and sweet person, but most of all, she is a great teacher. I am so grateful to be in her class. She is the reason I love coming to school every day. My favorite thing that she teaches me is new words. I think Ms. Scholle is a very inspiring and great teacher, as well as she cares about us like we are her own. Thank you for all you do. They chose the right person to get this award. This year is going great.
And next, we'll have Xavier. He is the Public Relations Officer for Student Council, who's going to be giving Ms. Scholle a gift on behalf of the entire school and staff.
Audubon Traditional Elementary School has some of the best teachers, staff, and students in the state. Together we work hard to achieve academic excellence. In the 4th grade at Audubon, teachers start preparing you for middle school. The workload is heavier and the material is harder. At times it can be scary and intimidating. However, teachers like Ms. Scholle make this transition much easier. Ms. Scholle makes learning fun. She is patient when teaching hard lessons and always makes sure her students have an understanding before moving on. Ms. Scholle cares about her students and has a genuine love for teaching. It is my honor to present to her the WHAS 11 ExCEL Award.
Everyone at Audubon knows we talk about our PTA all the time because we have wonderful parents in a community that supports not only the students but our school. And we have here with us our PTA President, Leah, Zettwoch, to share some words with Ms. Scholle.
Good afternoon. Like Gary Roedemeier said, you always have that one teacher in your life, and I was very fortunate enough in my life to have that one teacher, and I was at a PD class not too long ago, and she was sitting across the aisle from me. So I know the impact that she has on all of you, and I would like to just say thank you from the PTA.
And now, please welcome the newest winner of the WHAS TV LG&E KU ExCEL Award, Ashley Scholle. Ashley?
Thank you, everybody. Wow, this has been very overwhelming, so I appreciate everything. When I was 5 years old, my kindergarten teacher asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up. Without hesitation, I replied, a teacher. I knew in my heart that I wanted to help kids and work in a school because my love of learning was so strong. As I grew older, some of my best experiences were because of a strong teacher. I grew as a person and a student because of my first grade teacher who taught me that creative writing was valued and important. My 7th grade teacher taught me the art of questioning when I was asked to cross-examine a character during a mock trial. I learned the importance of vocabulary when my 11th grade English teacher made us act out word meanings in front of the class. Throughout my education, I met teacher after teacher who inspired me and reinforced my need to go into education. 11 years ago, I was blessed enough to get a job right out of college teaching 2nd grade. Since then, I have grown and evolved into the teacher I am today. Today, I'm a teacher who believes in many things. I believe in knowing your students. I remember many things about their lives outside of school years after they've left my classroom. I believe in creating relationships. My students know that I love them and they can come to me with anything that they need. I believe in creativity. Life is more fun when you get to create and make and build. I believe in student choice. Students have passions just like adults, and what better way to encourage those passions than through choice? I believe in music. We sing a lot in my classroom. It adds fun and always excites a cheer from my students. I believe in high expectations. Students will reach the bar set for them. It is my job to challenge and push them to reach their highest potentials. Lastly, I believe in lifelong learning. I myself work to become a better teacher each day. I want to be the role model for my students to show them that learning never stops. I know that I could not be where I am without the support of many people. I am so grateful to have been raised by parents who believed in me and my ability to be successful as a teacher. They lent their unwavering support when classes were hard and I wanted to give up. They taught me perseverance. I'm grateful to have a supportive husband who also works in an elementary school and understands when I spend many hours grading papers and looking up new activities for my classes. I'm grateful to have an administration here at Audubon that cares about kids. Without the support of my principal and assistant principal, I wouldn't have the resources and backing needed to run a successful classroom. I'm grateful for a staff of amazing educators that I call my colleagues and my friends. I'm grateful for my 4th grade team of amazing women who work hard to challenge kids and help each other because we all know that teaching is not a job you can do alone. I'm grateful for my classroom parents who send me their children every day and trust in me to instill in them lessons that will take them through their entire lives. I'm grateful for my former students who have helped sculpt and mold me into the teacher I am today. If I haven't told you, thank you. And finally, I'm grateful for the 54 4th graders who I get to call my kids. These kids are the best kids in the world. They are readers, thinkers, athletes, comedians, singers, dancers, artists, and more. They challenge me to be a better teacher, and I hope that they come back to me in 10 years and tell me all about the people they've become. I hope they know that they can do anything they put their minds to, and that I truly am their biggest fan. Finally, I'm thankful to Jefferson County Public Schools, LG&E KU, and WHAS TV for giving teachers the opportunity to be recognized. I'm extremely humbled that you have chosen me for this award. There are so many deserving teachers in our district, and I'm blessed to be recognized today. Thank you for believing in me.